Now we take common 2. 2 is common. 1 plus 10 square is left. 1 plus 10x whole square divided by dx as it is equal to minus 2 secant square x divided by 1 plus 10x whole square. Now we can see that 1 plus 10 square x is equal to secant square x. So instead of 1 plus 10 square, what we write? 2 10 square x. 1 plus 10 square x is equal to secant square. So we write secant square x is equal to minus 2 secant square x 1 plus 10x whole square. Now dy by dx as it is minus 2 secant square x divided by 1 plus 10x whole square. Now this term is multiplied by dy and multiplied term is divided. So we divided at the right side. Now this term is divided by dy. Divided term is multiply. So we multiply by at the right side. 1 plus 10 square x, 1 plus 10x whole square, 1 plus 10x whole square, 2, 2 and secant square cancel each other. What it gives? Dy by dx is equal to minus 1. So this is our required solution and proof. Basically we want to prove dy by dx is equal to minus 1. So we prove this dy by dx is equal to minus 1.